Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got a pretty cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the KB Knives Protocol. It's the KB419. This knife is on loan to me from, I grabbed the sticker from FredTheLug. Really appreciate him allowing me to take a look at this knife and do disassembly and cleaning and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. And let me make sure I've got a T8 there in the bit driver. And let's go ahead and get into it. There's the pivot screw, and it looks like we'll need to remove that clip with the screw, and then this body screw there, and that should get everything to pop apart maybe here. Maybe. It should pull apart, and it's coming. It's just being stubborn. And back here, that back spacer. I'm just wiggling it and trying to get this to release. There's probably a pin in there. You can see how it's coming apart there. There's a pin right there. We go. Stuck on that sleeve there. All right, let's go ahead and pop this apart. We've got the pivot. We'll throw that in alcohol. We've got the bearing. We'll throw that in alcohol, and we'll get the washer and a bearing there. There's another washer. All go into the alcohol bath. Let's go ahead and get the cotton applicator pad, cotton swab, however you want to call it. And we'll go ahead and wipe this down, making sure we get that lock face there. Go ahead and wipe the rest of the blade down while we're at it. Alright. Wipe down that back spacer there. And then just wipe down both sides of the scale. Getting that lock face there a little bit while we're at it. And then same for this side. We'll use the cotton tip applicator to get in some of the areas that we can't get to so easily with that alcohol swab. Right here. And then also the track where the stop pin goes. I like how that jimping is there on the lock bar. Makes it quite easy to disengage that lock bar. Alright, make sure we get on that side, that there's nothing there keeping that from making good contact. And then also the last part of this, I want to make sure that that is clean. Alright. Let's go ahead and get everything out of the alcohol bath here. We'll get those bearings and go ahead and wipe those off and set those to the side. Let them air dry. And we'll also get those washers. Dry those off. And another one on this side. Oops. And get that pivot screw, and I'm going to grab the bit driver and just kind of back out while I'm pinching those threads with my fingernail. Got a good bit of junk off of that one. Let's go one more swipe there and see if we can get even more. Alright, good deal. And then we'll grab this pivot barrel. Make sure that's tight. Let that dry off for a second. Alright, we're going to start with this side, that notch there. We're going to set that pivot down in there to where that matches that. Right there, lined up with that KB logo there. We're going to drop one of those. Let's slide this up where we can see it a little bit better. We're going to look at the washer there, see which side we're seeing the bearings. And we're going to drop that on there as such. We're going to put a little dot of gunny glide on each side of that pivot. I'm going to place this blade on. I'm going to go ahead and put that backspacer on so we don't forget it. Then I'm going to put this bearing on, another bit of gunny glide on each side, and then we're going to place the bearing after we check and see, okay, that's the side, whoop, that's the side with the marks of the bearing where the bearing's been running. And then we're going to pop this on as such. There we go. Let's grab a little bit of Loctite stick. Alright. And we'll go ahead and fasten. Wait a minute. Got a little bit there, and I don't want that there. Alright. Try that again. Tighten that down, and we'll adjust that in a moment. Let's go ahead and grab that pocket clip. That tightened down. There we go. And also the other body screw. Check and see what we're at here. A little bit of play, so we need to tighten it up just a tad. We want to get it to where there's no play. Still a little bit, but we're getting close. Alright. Still a tad there. And still filling just a little bit, so just slowly adding a little bit more. There we go. Centering is excellent. Action is good. So there you have it. The KB Knives Protocol Disassembly and Cleaning. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this knife. Thus far, I'm liking this one. But we'll save my thoughts on it for a review video that should be out shortly after you see this video. It may end up taking a month or so to actually get it uploaded, because I've got a lot of content that I'm trying to get put out. But hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching.